Welcome to another My Two Good Hands video. Working on a Jeep project. You saw we stripped it out, but here's one of the things we have. See how this is real stiff? Needs lubrication in here. How do you get lubrication in here? You can see the pins at the top don't move. So this part spins on the pin and it's not lubricated. So we got ourselves grease fittings. So we're going to put some grease fittings on those hinges. Going to start by drilling and getting ready to tap. So we read on our grease fittings here, it tells us that these are straight and that there's 45 degree, etc. But the big thing is 1/4 28 threads. So we're going to come in here and we're going to line right up in the center of this and right up in the center of the pin, right there. And that's how we're going to drill, right? Like that. So let's get you in a position where you can see what we're going to come in here and try to drill this in. You feel that pop in? Now we're hitting the pin. But we can definitely see the hole there. I'm going to do the one down below too. This one seems deeper. When we move, yeah, we can see that moving. We can see the pin stay still. So what we're going to try to do is drill them a little deeper so we can get that tap started. Doesn't look like we can drill the pin, so I'm not sure we're going to be able to tap it because we don't have a bottom tap. Yeah, we don't have a bottom tap. This one's in a little bit, so you can start it a little bit. Can't really start the tap. So let's see what kind of taper's on these fittings. Not really much of a taper on these fittings, so I'm not sure we're going to be able to just run them in. But since it's aluminum and steel, we might be able to just run them in without tapping. I'm going to go get a tool to drive that. So we did find a 1/4 28 bottom tap. So we're going to use a 1/4 28 bottom tap, which should allow us to do some tapping lightly here. What you do is turn it a little, then back it off to cut the chip. And you'll feel this when you get to a point there. See how it's getting solid? It's hitting the bottom of the hole. That's all there is. There, it looks nice. See the bottom? Get our tap back in our assortment. Blow those out best you can. Next process is to take the grease fitting and get it started in here. You can see that'll start easy. You bring that right to it. It's tight there. The beauty here is we now have a way to get grease into our pins. Okay, so that's on. We're going to go get our grease gun and grease it up and see what it'll loosen up. Got a grease gun with some general purpose grease. You'll see we're going to push this Not much is going to go in because that's all full of debris in the hinge. But we got some in there. Go down here and do this one. Oh, that one comes out nice. Look at that. That one came out nice, so got a lot of flow in that one. So it's probably just the top one now that's bound up. Doesn't creak anymore already. Put it over here. Put some more lube in this one. Oh, I don't know where it went. Some of it leaked out the sides here. There we go. See how well that moves now. Oh yeah, that's a lot better. Oh yeah, a lot better. Then you gotta watch, you can't open the tailgate any farther than that, you'll hit those fittings. See how the fittings are gonna hit? Right there. Fittings are gonna hit. So there you go. Don't forget to like and subscribe to My Two Good Hands. There's an easy how-to if you got a stiff hinge on your Jeep. I drilled, I tapped. I'll put all the links in the Amazon descriptions below. Using Amazon does give me a small commission, helps support this channel for more cool videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. It's still going to be epic what we're doing to this Jeep. There's a lot of little things along the way, some rusty parts we had to cut off. Tomorrow we'll show you how to get the door handle and the door apart so we can remove the latch mechanism and everything for our project. And we'll also be covering how to take window wipers off and that sort of thing because we got to have a clean Jeep to start with. Catch you soon.